Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News.
Veteran Rastafarian reggae singer Denroy Morgan has died. His son Mojo confirmed that he passed away on Thursday at the age of 76. A statement released by the Morgan family noted, Morgan is survived by his widow Hyacinth Morgan, his 30 children, 104 grandchildren, and 15 great-grandchildren. The father of Grammy Award-winning sibling group Morgan Heritage, as well as LMS, Denroy Morgan released his Billboard chart-topping hit I'll Do Anything For You, an album of the same name in 1981. He signed a deal with RCA in 1984 and was the first Jamaican recording artist to be signed to a major record label. Born in Jamaica, Morgan migrated to the United States in 1965 at the age of 19. He was part of the formation of the Black Eagles, a New York City reggae band in the 1970s before launching a prosperous solo career in the 1980s. Eventually moving back to Jamaica, he made his home in the parish of St. Thomas. Last year, Morgan released his first book, From the Cross to the Throne, a novel that explores Rastafarianism. He established his own Abrahamic Covenant family ministry, which goes live on Facebook every Saturday from his Hilltop Tabernacle in Port Morant, St. Thomas. An advocate for the legislation of marijuana, Morgan spoke freely of his joy when it became legal in Jamaica. In 2017, Denroy Morgan received the key to the city of Brooklyn, New York. Thank you for watching.